When you're looking for a new compressor to match your needs, Kaishan Compressors Australia can give you the right advice, the right energy-saving products, and comprehensive support services. Hi, I'm Tim Webster, with a wide range of advanced compressors and system components to suit the most demanding industrial applications, as well as high-efficiency compact compressors for specialised applications. Kaishan can match your requirements. Air compressors ranging from 3 to 400 kilowatts or more are readily available through Kaishan's branches and distributors around Australia. And Kaishan can design, supply, install and service compressed air systems for every industry application. As well, the company's national fleet of mobile technicians provides 24/7 support for preventative servicing, maintenance and repair of any type and brand of compressor and system. More information and specifications, visit Kaishan Compressors Australia at the address which you can see on your screen now. And thank you for watching.